Bulls are the most popular group in the animal kingdom. We feed them and tame them and think we know them. And yet they inhabit a world which is really rather mysterious. Once they take off from our bird tables or lawn, they disappear into a world of their own. What I'm interested in with birds, just as I'm with spiders or monkeys, is what they do and why they do it. These two birds find it romantic to have sex on the roof next to my apartment. It appears that these two lovers got inspired by the Kim Kardashian video. Little they know how exhausting it is going to be. It is an amazing thing to watch while having a cup of coffee all to the way.